Welcome to the Strength and Resilience course. As I record this, we are in historic times. Businesses across the globe are facing forced shutdowns, furloughing staff. There's a lot of worry and uncertainty out there. The business owners are in crisis mode. So, this course is aimed at helping you as a business owner look at yourself and your business and help it become as strong and resilient as it's possible to be. So, what will we cover in the course? We're going to look at 5 parts. First of all, we'll look at mindset because mindset, how you think, your attitude drives everything, not only in your personal life, but in your business life. Part two, we'll look at awareness because knowledge is power. And the more you know about your business, your customers, your suppliers, your staff, the different aspects of your business and where opportunity might lie, allows you to make better decisions. Part three is all about opportunity and where to look for it and how to look for it. Because in a crisis, there are a lot of opportunities, whether or not it's using new tools, different approaches, different ways of helping customers. There are opportunities out there. So it's important as a business that you take the step back and look at how you can actually take advantage of them. The fourth part is around scenario planning, looking at lots of valuable what ifs for your business, how you go about it, the tools that you can use, some of which I'll include as extra resources in the course resource page. And then the last part is on action taking. There's no point in having looked at your mindset and awareness, etc., in your business if you don't actually implement anything. So this section, this part is all around how you implement it and make sure stuff happens. But before we go into it, I thought it was worth looking at why bother? Why look at resilience and building strength now? Well, you've got a very, very unique opportunity to take a step back out your business and stop working in it and start working on it. It'll allow you to respond to the situation rather than react and help you build a better business because of it. So, the way that I like to explain businesses to clients in Solutions Basecamp is to look at a cart and a horse. If you imagine that your whole business is this cart and horse, now the cart itself is all around your product, how you delight your customers, your margins, your financials, your cash flows, your structures that you have in place, your staff, the resources, suppliers, processes, systems, etc. And the horse is how you get customers. Now, it's important to look at the whole, but it's very important to make sure that you've got a cart that is as robust and strong as it possibly can be before you go on any journey. Just imagine that you've got square wheels on your cart. It's going to take an awful lot of effort to move that along a road. For example, if you have got a product or a service that you're selling where the margin is poor and you're not making much margin, much profit for each of the sales, then there's no point in going out and getting more customers because it's just going to exacerbate the situation. So it's important to make sure that your margins are as big as they possibly can be, that they're maximized, that risk in your business is minimized, your structure is as strong as it can be, the business is as streamlined as it can be, so that when you go down that road, when you go down the road of selling your product, getting more customers and growing, that the first bump along that road isn't going to make your business fall apart. And that's what we're trying to do with this course, is to help you make your cart, your business, as strong as it can be. before we dive into the main bit of the course, I just want you to remember that any crisis, this crisis in particular, because we're going through it just now, but any crisis passes. It is for a period of time. And as a business owner, you need to take that step back and make sure that you are taking actions now to allow your business to be stronger at the end of this. So, without any further ado, let's go right into the first part of the course on mindset.